Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok couldn't play video problem. So actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, if you face this problem, the first thing you need to do is to swipe down from the top right corner, and then if you have this problem you need to try to switch your Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Maybe it will solve your problem. So if you still got this problem, the next thing you need to do is to close this TikTok application and try to open it again. As you can see, everything is okay, but if you still got this problem, the third thing you need to do is to go to your App Store application and then click on the search icon at the bottom right corner, and then in the search bar you need to type TikTok. Then you need to open this TikTok application, and if there are new updates available, you need to download them. Maybe it will one of the solution of your problem. So if you downloaded the last version of your application and this issue didn't fixed, the last step you need to do is to go to your TikTok application. Then at the bottom right corner you need to click on the profile button. After that, at the top right corner you need to click on the three lines button, then settings and privacy. After that, in this list of options you need to scroll down and find report a problem option and then click on that. After that you will see this interface. All you need to do is to find feed and playback option and then click on that, and then click on the last option, playing videos. After downloading, you will see this list of options. You need to click on the first one, video not playing, and after that you will see this little instruction, what should you do. You can try to do the steps, but if your video playing still not working, you need to click on the no button and then need more help. After that, this chat will be opened. All you need to do is to click on the send message text bar and then type report a problem and then send this message. Then you need to click on the gray button, submit a ticket, and now you need to describe your problem. For example, after that you can click on the gallery icon and add some screenshots or videos to prove your problem, and then you need to click on the red button, submit, and then after a few days or after a few hours TikTok support will receive your message and your problem will be fixed. So, and that's all, and that's how to fix TikTok couldn't play video problem. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.